Independent and dependent variables. A dependent variable changes based on an independent variable. Independent variables are graphed on the x-axis. Dependent variables are graphed on the y-axis. And if we wanted to visualize this, it would look something like this. We could just sketch the first quadrant, and our x value is the independent variable, and our y value is the dependent variable. Example 1, age and weight in children. Well, the age is the independent variable. The weight of a child depends upon its age. So the weight changes based on age. And if I were to visualize that, here we have on the x-axis the age, and on the y-axis the weight. The weight depends on the child's age. Example 2, wind speed and wind chill temperature. Well, how chilly it is, or the wind chill, is based upon the wind speed, how much wind we have. So the wind chill changes based on the wind speed. And again, if I were to visualize that, the wind speed would be on the x-axis and the wind chill would be on the y. Example 3, college tuition and the year. Tuition changes based on the year. If I were to visualize that, the year would be on the x-axis and the cost of tuition would be on the y, because it's dependent upon what year it is. Example 4, test score and hours of study. The test score changes based on the hours of study. If I were to graph that, I would graph the hours of study on the x-axis and the test score on the y, because the test score is dependent upon the hours of study. Example 5, all DVDs cost $5 at the wholesale club. Make a table to show the cost of buying 1 to 10 DVDs. Draw a graph that shows the relationship between the number of DVDs and the total cost. So first you need to decide which is the dependent variable. So what changes based on the other thing? The two variables we have are the number of DVDs and the total cost. So go ahead and do example 5. The cost changes based on the number of DVDs. So each DVD costs $5, so as the number of DVDs increases, so does the cost of the DVDs. And if I were to graph it, it would look like this.